This is my group's questa science project. We are doing experiment A. Experiment A is about investigating the effects of different light intensities on the rate of photosynthesis by observing the number of bubbles produced by the water plant. Photosynthesis is a process for plants to make their own food by converting the light energy obtained from the sun into chemical energy and storing them in carbohydrate molecules. Only plants are able to carry out the photosynthesis because they have chlorophyll, a green pigment that is also needed for the process. Plants need water, sunlight, and carbon dioxide to carry out the process of making their own food. Materials we used were a freshwater plant, in this case a hydrilla, a table lamp, a meter rule, a thermometer, a 500 centimeter cube beaker, a retort stand and clamp, a dilute sodium hydrogen carbonate solution, a boiling tube, and a tripod stand. A piece of water plant about 5 centimeter long was used. The table lamp was placed at different distances away from the plant, from the furthest distance to the nearest distance. Air bubbles which are released from the end of the cut plant within a period of 1 minute are counted and recorded down. This procedure was repeated twice. The results were tabulated as follows. There were 0 bubbles. In the graph above, we observed that there were no bubbles produced by the plant no matter how far or close the lamp was. This could be due to a few reasons. The light intensity, the intensity of the dilute sodium hydrogen carbonate solution, or the time the lamp was at each distance. We have came to a conclusion that different light intensities may affect the rate of photosynthesis of the water plant. When the distance between the table lamp and the water plant is 10 cm, there is a greater light intensity and more bubbles are supposed to be produced. Thus, the rate of photosynthesis of the water plant is fast. However, when the distance between the table lamp and the water plant is 50 cm, there is a weaker light intensity and very less bubbles are obtained. Thus, the rate of photosynthesis is slow. Therefore, we have concluded that the amount of light intensity may affect the rate of photosynthesis of the water plant. Our references are mostly referred to the following websites. Other references are obtained from the reference book.